Ka Parliamentary Standing Committee jong yang dorbar Parliament bari ban bisyar ke jing terwa ban penkla thamai yaki kendon jong ke 6th schedule. Kalau ban yok kejat hang ni kenong ba shlong ha katayo balalej. Bat kene ke kenhon klei kendo ya ar punyo teli ki kenhon beper ke jela ban selok yaki kendon bala terwa. Haswa bukan ai ke kaipot ha ke yang dorbar Parliament. Kini kekenhuan jangka Parliamentary Standing Committee belalam du MP ke Kongres Anand Sharma kelai kendo iki kenhuan hak jelah hak sejan jangka teo belala ha Pinewood Hotel Shillong. Hak ini kejingalang kidongelam jang sengsan pertai ki MDC jangka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Jantia Hills Autonomous District Council, Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, bat kidongelam jang seng balang beper. Ilapan pau hakmat ka Parliamentary Standing Committee baki persajur bantung kiwai pat kejat jendri rulum kumki nominated MDC haki District Council kani kejelai. Nalor kani kila dawa badai ban kentiu ya kejingdon jagi MDC syakalai pusan ngut kentup iki arngut ki nominated MDC bat kawai ni kini kan deka kentai. Ki bobon ki kenhuan kila dawa badai ban penduk no ya kentian Village Council bat Municipal Council hendrai ban pendrong da kentian Traditional Institutions jong kejela ki bakentup iki hima ki raj ki dorbar shnong bat kiwi-kiwi. Kilapan paru ika jing sengawi hap jing mud ban pentrekam ya ka an kentiap seng kenang bagi MDC kin amyo ban pet nakawi ka kenhuan syakawi pat. Ban nakaliang jogi District Council kila karpat ika committee bagian penhap ika District Council ha ka artikel arspa prapau kenang mani opdang ya ka jing bay tengka na ka sorkar pedeng kumbayo ki panchayat. Anand Sharma berdiri MP ke Raja Sabha ulang baka komiti kelai kendo ikut khot jing seng beper. Bat ke Autonomous District Council ban sengap ke jing sengau jungki halor ke jing temu ban penkala ya ke riti sencari. Haka bedai bak ke jing terekam ke District Council. Bat ulapan pau ke jing sengau hon ya ke ega bami na ke jing elang. Ulang baka komiti kan pendap ke jing pan jing mud halor ke jing temu ban penkala ke 6th schedule hapo ubenai leber ban wan haswa ban IT ke kaipot sya ke yang dorbar Parliament.
Box nga pila man batay lihat kaiga boki pen pau khmat dong ning chairman dong ka
kitu ki points ki bangila yakran baru kata kawai jingde bagiti ki unrepresented tribes ka argument jungi kalong very clear baru khoi ki ta shil tribe ki ban po state ki jungi ki yo ban participate haka jing thabut ki yo ban participate haka jing election kila ban contest election na tadaw kata ka diga submission ka jungi bangim don kam me ka tu ki don kam baitang arngut ki nominate at least ibe kan thai kabar kalong haka jingde bukan number of seats kumbangin apa session na poka house yang balai punyo teli ki seat barok hoit lai pusan ki elected atli ki nominated ibe ikan thai kabaru kalong ba kumba hakapor Assam ka district council ban exam ki standalong ile dau governor hendre hakapor bayo state la amenno barman ra shaw president tingi ong bayo ban restore ban ban exemption ki central law don kam dau governor. Kita kira hamlong very important bagi juga por ke village council ikwa bakan don ka dorbar snong nang ta kidi kidon banon ke dorbar right ki dorbar hima kenang ba kanom ta ya ka custom ya ka dustur ka jongi
represented tribe.
No, I'm telling you everything that we have articulated during the discussion remains confidential until the standing committee who has been mandated with this responsibility submits the report in the parliament. Thank you.
the objective of your visit of holding this meeting and having this meeting.
It is to hear the stakeholders, the representatives of the tribal organizations and the autonomous district councils about their views on the constitutional amendment, which deals directly with the ADCs, the autonomous district councils.
So how do you term the meeting today, sir?
Meeting was good, and I'm not going to share any details. Thank you.
So when
will you complete this exercise?
Hopefully by the month of March.